Alright, this is the last demonstration. We'll light up an LED using a push button. For hobby electronics, we typically have really small components, which is why we'll need a breadboard. Breadboards come in different sizes, but for this example, we'll use this size. Let's use a 1.5 battery, and we'll need a resistor, an LED, and a push button. Alright. Before we begin, we should talk about the breadboard. As I mentioned earlier, the power rails, which are the negative and positive rails, are all connected, which is indicated with the green marking. The middle rails are also shared. So these are shared, and these are shared. And this goes for all the rails that from the left to the right. So let's first put our push button right in the middle. Then we'll put our LED. So this anode is directly connected to this terminal. Next we'll put our resistor, first rotating it. And this will be connected to the LED cathode. Then we'll wire our negative and positive battery connections onto the power rails. So the negative connection to the negative rail, negative, and the positive, and the positive connection to the positive rail. And now to close off the circuit, and just like that, it should work. This will be a little faint. If we expand it and take a closer look, the LED lights up. Now let's try with a 9-volt battery. As you can see, it lights up much brighter because there's a larger voltage, and this is because of Ohm's law. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, we'll go over Arduino, Arduino programming, and Arduino sensors. Goodbye.